Zibo Shengxue Freezer
is a professional manufacturer specializing in commercial refrigerator and freezers, alloy casting refrigerator and freezers, combined island freezers, display showcase with air curtain, and commercial kitchen equipment. Products are supplied globally and are suitable for supermarkets and warehousing equipment industries and commercial kitchen equipment industries. We have a 4,000 square meter factory, professional production workers and research and development technicians. We will provide you with the best and most stable supply. Communicate in a timely manner, according to local market conditions, and produce products more suitable for the local market. Welcome to visit our factory and sincerely cooperate to create a better future.